Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Change Facebook Location Settings. Let's dive right in. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines, menu icon, at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Scroll down to the Device Permissions section and tap on it to open. Here you will find several options, including the location option. Next to this option, you will see an option labeled See Info. Tap on the See Info option. On the pop-up screen, tap on the Update Settings option. In the pop-up, again, open Device Settings. This will take you to your Facebook app's permissions page. Here, you can manage your location settings. Tap on the Location option to change your phone's overall location settings for Facebook. You can choose between Never, Ask Next Time, or while using the app to control when Facebook can access your location. For more control, you can turn off Precise Location if you don't want Facebook to keep a record of places you visited. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.